welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dead Sea here with another video. Right now we're playing this game that was actually told to me by one of my friends. So I decided I want to play it, and yeah. So I'll be back when the game starts. Okay, we're back. So this is a car that I made. Yeah, I made this one actually. It's pretty decent, but the only thing is it can only take one hit. Now this game, you're basically a hover car, and yeah, you buy other cars and you get points by completing missions and stuff. I like my attack button, and then you can get like power-ups and stuff. Let's try this. Are you doing voice chat? Yes, I'm doing a video. So, get the coins. Sometimes you can get lucky if you're online for a little bit. You can get like it says watch video for like 3 coins. Sometimes you can go online and then for a little bit and then go back offline, and you can still get coins from the thing. And then again, if I wanted to, I could pay money to keep going, but I'm not. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to get me some upgrades. I'm going to get me some upgrades. There it is. My green card pack. Upgrade. And then attached in. Quick, tighten up. No. There we go. So, I got to the attack range. Let's upgrade weapon base. Range. That should be pretty good smoke. Boom. Go! I already lost a gun this quick. If you and a friend have the same are on the same Wi-Fi and you both have the game, you can both get on here. But you gotta be on the same Wi-Fi to do it, I think. Oh. And there's tons of more guns you can get on this game. It's just I didn't get them because I was saving up for this one really good gun. The Tesla, the Aeon Tesla or something, but I didn't get it before the daily thing was over.
Why are you talking about it like this? You're not talking about it. I'm talking about it.
I'm so strong now. So I'm down to 2 thrusters.
I know.
Crap. Come on, get the last car. Get the last. No. Nope. Ow. So yeah, that's the. Dang it. Dang it. game. So I thought I might show it off. Sorry if this might be a short video today. I ain't got a whole lot of time. I ain't allowed to record at my house anymore, so yeah. So that's that. If anybody can figure out how to, any games y'all would like me to play, just send them to me. Put them in the comment box and just tell me. I've looked through the comments just about every day. I might end it here. I'm not sure. I did get the PewDiePie Shooter Simulator out, and I say I'm pretty good at it. I don't know. I've gotten pretty far, and I've only just got it a couple weeks ago. So yeah, and I did not use. The only thing I did was my time messed up and stuff, so I had to. What the heck? What the heck? What the heck just happened? Yeah, I had to change my thing a little bit. My time got messed up, so I changed it to the day of next year, kind of. And yeah, this is my room. Keep playing, dude.